The Green Controller. It was a quiet day at Tidmouth Sheds. Percy was all alone. Suddenly the Fat Controller's car pulled up. Percy was very surprised to see Lady Hat. "Sir Topham is sick," she announced grandly. "He has lost his voice." Percy was worried. "I hope he finds it soon," he peeped. "Sir Topham has given me a list of jobs," Lady Hat continued. "Listen very carefully. Gordon is to collect coaches of china from Knapford and take them to Brendam Docks. He must pull the coaches very slowly." "Slow coaches," peeped Percy. "James is to shunt trucks in the coal yard. He must be as busy as a bee." "Busy bee," puffed Percy carefully. "And Toby is to take visitors from Maithwaite to the Scottish castle. He must go as fast as Gordon's Express." "Gordon's Express," puffed Percy. "You're in charge now, Percy," said Lady Hat, and she left. Just then Thomas puffed in from his morning's work. "I'm controller for the day," peeped Percy proudly. "Do you need any help?" Thomas asked his friend. "Controllers don't need help," wheezed Percy, and off he chuffed. Percy found Gordon first. "The Fat Controller has lost his voice," puffed Percy, "so I'm controller until he finds it." Gordon was surprised. Percy tried hard to remember what Lady Hat had said. "You must pull very slow coaches," he peeped proudly. "Oh, the indignity," huffed Gordon. Percy had a lot to do and a lot to remember. Next, Percy found James at the washdown. "James, you must be a busy bee," he peeped. James gasped. "Do you mean I have to be painted yellow and black?" he whistled weakly. "Yes, James," Percy said sternly. "But why?" snorted James. Percy tried to peep boomingly. "Because I'm controller." And then Percy puffed off. Next, Percy found Toby. "Toby, you must pull Gordon's Express," he told him.